How to family share on Steam. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can family share on Steam. For that, you need to set up family sharing on Steam first. You need to open your Steam application on your device first, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, here at the top left, you will find Steam icon. Click on the Steam option. And from this drop down, here you need to click on settings. Once you click on settings, now you will be presented with this window. Here from the left panel of the settings option, you need to click on interface. Once you click on interface, now in this right side you will be presented with all the options related to interface. Here you need to look for client beta participation. Once you find this option, at the right side you will find this option. Click on it, and from this drop down, here you need to select Steam Families Beta. Once you click on this option, now you will need to restart your Steam in order to select this new beta. Once you click on this Restart Now button, the application will restart. Wait until it successfully restarts on your device. And once you restart the application, here you will need to click on your profile name at the top right. Once you find it, click on it, and from this drop down, here you need to select account details. Once you click on account details, now you will be taken to this page. Here from this left side, you need to click on family management. Once you click on this family management, you may also join a family or create a new family. Here I am going with create a family. Once you click on this option, now here you need to enter the name of your family member and send them invitation to join it. After that, you will be able to family share on Steam. Once they accept the invitation, they will need to log into their own Steam account on the same computer. And after that, they will see your shared games in their library. From there, they can download and play the games you shared. Also remember that family sharing option only works on a single computer at a time. And you cannot share your library with multiple accounts on different computers simultaneously. Only when you are not playing, the family members can download and play the games you shared. If you start playing a shared game, they will be prompted to buy or quit it. So by following the steps, you will be able to family share on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.